Hey guys, welcome back to the 964 restoration. That has taken way too long already, but things are finally taking shape. As per last video, I have now finished all the welding on the car and everything is primered and seam sealed already. If you want to see how I welded some of the more complicated sections, feel free to check the previous video in my 964 playlist. But let me pull it out and I'll show you. I'll start by painting the front section satin black because that will be the part that is getting a new custom carpet made. And I don't want the white to potentially shine through the fabric. So, let's get going! With the satin done in front, I will also add a Raptor coat in the driver's footwell, where the repairs have been done, for additional protection simply, as well as getting the rear painted next. I already have cleaned out the back section and filled it, so all it needs is a minor sand, and then I can lay down the white paint, which is going to be the original Grand Prix white. Luckily my mate Georg is here, who is doing the painting for me after I've been sanding all day. And with that done, before I can do the bit I'm looking forward to the most, I'm gonna have to do the hard bit now. I'm gonna try to make a template for the custom carpet that will be glued to the chassis, because I got a huge roll of automotive carpet just for this. Okay, I've got both sides cut out now, and now I templated up the hardest bit in the center. So next I'm going to pull that off and start cutting out the carpet for the center as well. That's the centerpiece in, and it looks pretty darn good. If the other ones turn out this way, I'm gonna be real happy. As you can see, next I gotta rewrap all these wires as well. I'm done with rewrapping the loom now, and now I can get to the most exciting bit. Also, I'm gonna be tidying up all of this before installing the new seats. Initially the plan was making, or rather I should say learn to make a roll cage from scratch, but then this popped up. Someone wanted to sell a Vicious Club Sport half cage, and in the end he let it go for just 200 bucks. And I wasn't gonna say no to that. But yeah, this came in bare metal, and Georg already painted it for me in GP white as well, and I'm gonna ask someone to carefully help me pop it into the car. Come, how's that? Ooh. Next up, I'm gonna make some floorboards to replace the stock foam as they do in the Carrera RS, I think. I already made up some cardboard templates and will be cutting them from aluminium as opposed to the wood boards found in the RS. Luckily, both sides are near identical, so I will be able to flip them and do the same again for the other side simply. I got the floorboards cut out now and in a place where I'm happy with. All I need to do now is bolt them down, but before that I'm going to use them to cut out the floor mats, which are going to be exactly the same. The carpets are cut out now and they look really freaking amazing. I'm gonna bring them away to have the edges all taken care of, because that is actually something I can't do myself. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get everything bolted down and then we're gonna install the seats, which I've been waiting for ages. I also 3D printed a couple of simple standoffs and countersunk a few holes into the aluminium floorboards, so they're gonna be sitting nice and flush, as well as adding some protection for the roll cage. I got myself a pair of brand new Sportster CS Recaros, and I think they will look incredible in this setup. Luckily it appears I can fit them with universal seat rails that have the correct bolt pattern. All I need to do is make a small spacer with an attachment that I can bolt the belt buckle to. So I'll quickly whip it up now. These are the belt buckle adapters I just welded up, and now I'll try installing everything to see if it fits. I think this will work. I don't think this could have gone any better. We've got perfect clearance around the cage with the seat on the max back position, and everything is super tight. But we're still gonna have enough space for everything. Before final assembly, I will take everything out and get everything painted, and then all the big hurdles for finishing the interior have been taken care of. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll make one more video on finishing the interior probably, to take care of a ton of details such as finishing the door cards. And that's when you'll also see all the carpet with the finish stitching back in the car. So, see ya then. Bye.